Thank you for everything. Kahit lagi mo akong inaaw.
I'm here and now, eyes open and now, it's clear to me now. I wanna feel like this forever. I wanna feel like this forever. Oh, when I see our lives together, I wanna be like this forever.
Gerald, pwede mo nang igawad ang iyong masoyong paghalik kay Des.
I wanna feel like this forever. I wanna feel like this forever. Oh, when I see our lives together, I wanna be like this forever.
It felt like a feather up in the clouds, getting higher and higher and not coming down.
Huwag yun na, Gerald.
Felt like the bird.
Gerald at Des, ang pag-ibig ninyo sa isa't isa ay isang desisyon. Magiging tapat kayo sa isa't isa. Mananatili kayong magkabuklod. Magiging responsableng mga magulang kayo sa inyong magiging mga anak.
Pangako ko sa iyo, mamaalin kita at iintindihan kita lagi. Alam mo naman nakasuporta ako sa iyo lagi.
When I found you.
Des, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib itong si Gerald na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang
Opo, Father.
Gerald, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Des na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang
Opo, Father.
Swept me to places that I never knew.
Salamat dahil dumating ka sa panahon kailangan ko ng karamay.
I promise to give you the best of myself. I promise to trust and respect you as your own person and to realize that your interests, desires, and needs are no less important than my own.
When I found you. I found you.
I promise to be your partner and equal in all things. I promise to love you in good times and in bad, completely and forever.
I found you. In you I found my heart. I found my home right from the start. Where I belong, it's only you. It's only
I promise to share with you my time, and my attention and to bring joy, strength, and imagination to our relationship.